Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Hubalz Feedback. Hubalz Feedback is a software by which you can track the customer behavior on your website. That means you can track the users behavior of your website by using this software and the people who are working with search. And it's an alternative of Upvoty and Uservoice. They're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. The plan one pricing is only 19 USD, which is very affordable. But if you want additional color customization, then you have to get the plan 2. If you want removed powered by Hubalz branding, that means if you want to white label it, then you have to get this plan 3, which is 57 USD and very affordable. And see, this software has gotten 13 reviews on AppSumo and overall reviews are 5 stars. So everyone is giving here 5-star review. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Hubalz Feedback and let's explore how things work here. So guys, this is the dashboard of Hubalz Feedback and I have already connected my website here. How to connect it? You have to just click here on this add domain. I have already added one domain. Just click here on this add domain. Here insert the company name. Let's say the company name is Passivern 2 and website URL is www.passivern.com and then just click on this confirm. And then what you have to do here, just click on this looks good and then you have to connect this Hubalz Feedback account with your website. Right now you can connect it in different way. If you select it as e-commerce or blog and content event SaaS, you can select the purpose of your website. Let's say I'll select here e-commerce and then just click on this next. Then you can select HTML, you can select Google Tag Manager, WordPress, React, swipe pages, Wix, and then Shopify, Squarespace, and other. Let's say I will use WordPress to connect Hubalz Feedback with my website. So I'll select here WordPress and then if I click on this next, then it will basically give you step-by-step instructions. So in case of WordPress, I have to install their plugin. And after installing this plugin, if I just click on this next, then see here is step 2 and then if I click on this next, then here is step 3. So in this way you have to follow the steps basically. Hope you get idea guys. I'm not connecting this domain Passivern to, I will work with Passivern. So I'm going to this Passivern and then see here is the dashboard and this is basically analytics dashboard. From here you can see how many number of session have on your website, how many number of page view have on your website, how many number of users, and you can also see the bounce rate of your website and you can see the audience metrics. And from here I'm seeing that 0.13% average session per day, 2.29 second average session duration. And from here you can see the graphical views, you can see session count by time of day. See here session count by time and then session by channel, by referrer, by UTM source, UTM medium, UTM campaign. You can select anything and then you can get the analytics basically. So these are the things. You can also see the session by country and then session by device, browser, then operating system, then language. So these are the things. See, in my case I'm seeing very little analytics here because I just connected my website few minutes ago. That's why everything is very little here. But if you use it in your day-to-day life, then you will get very in details analytics here basically. Hope you get idea. And from here you can see on which pages, how many time, how much time the users has been visited. See, this are 2 pages on where my visitors are visited. Actually this is me, and because this is a dummy website and I have visited on these 2 pages and I'm seeing it basically from here. And then they have real time. You can also see the real time data of your website and right now I have 0 visitor actually, and that's why I'm seeing here 0 visitors. See, session by device, browser, operating system, language. You can select these things and you will see the real-time analytics of your website from here. Hope you get idea. And then you can track the revenue of your website from here. As you can see, I have added the revenue here. You can see lifetime value, MRR, and ARPU. You can see the revenue metrics, average per day. You can see average per user. So these are the things. Now how you can add these things? You can add these things from your website also, but if you want to add it manually, just click here on this add lead and then select the date. Let's say the date is this date. You can select the time also, and then you can select type revenue or meeting. Let's say that it's revenue, and the revenue is $455, and then just click on this add, and then it will be added here. So guys, it has been added here. Hope you get idea. In this way you can track your revenue also by using this Hubalz feedback. And then they have SEO. If I go to this SEO, from here you can audit your website. If you just submit your page URL here, and then if you just click on this audit page, then it will audit the SEO details of this page basically. But here the problem that I'm facing, this site audit feature is not working fine for me. As you can see here, it's working, but it's not working fine for me, and after some time it will show like that. So guys, it's showing like that after some time. So this site audit feature is not working very fine for me. After that, they have keywords. Now if I just go to this keyword section, here I can insert one keyword, and then I can check this keyword for my website. So let's say this is my keyword, and then let me click here on this check keyword, and then let's see what it provide us. So guys, here these are the keywords that they have provided, and from here we can see the volume, the CPC, the competition, and these keywords will be selected depending on your website. And then they have competitor. You can see the competitor analysis data, but they're saying that no competitors found. And then they have backlinks data, and from here you can see percentage of do follow, percentage of um, do follow domain, IP addresses, backlinks history, linking domain history. But in my case everything is empty, because maybe I have just added this website here with this Hubalz feedback. And then they have ranking. If I go to this ranking section, there have no the ranking data basically, but in my case no ranking keyword found. But in your case, if you use it professionally every day, then definitely you will get the ranking keywords. Hope you get idea. But the main features here is this analytics, and from here you can see the in details analytics about this website. And then they have different types of reporting. See, they have audience reporting. As I have said you that Hubalz feedback is basically one software by which you can track the user behavior. See guys, this is one PC, because I have, after adding my website with this Hubalz feedback, I have visited to my website only. That's why here I'm seeing this PC. In your case, if you have a lots of visitor, then for every visitor one unique code will be created. And if I enter to this visitor, then from here I can see this visitor's journey from start to end. See guys, this is starting, and then they have visited to this page, and you can see the action time also. You can define the behavior now. Let's say home page visitor, and then if I just click here confirm, then these behaviors will be defined. And then you can see the heat map also. If I just click here heat map, and then I can see on who is page, on who is spot they have clicked. See, if I just click here on here, then it will be loaded, and the heat map will be loaded basically. Just wait some time, and then it will be loaded. See guys, here the heat map has been loaded. See here in these sections I have clicked, and you can see the visitors heat map in this way basically, on which section, on which location they are clicking, on which location they are focusing. You can track these things from here. And then let's say if I click in this one, the last one, then I'll see the heat map also from here. You can view site audit for this page. You can view page analytics also. You can go to this page directly just by clicking here. Hope you get idea guys about this heat map section, and then about this audience reporting option. And then if I click here again, you can see more details. See, after clicking here, see here element, you can see the element, on which element they have clicked. You can see the action URL, you can see the action time. You can define behavior in every section. What they did after that, they visited to this page. As you can see, they visited to this page. Here one icon we are seeing. And then if I just click here on this button, then see, you will be able to see the screen recording. That means what happened on this time. As you can see, these things happened on this time. See guys, here you can see the customers cursor behavior, on which place they have scrolled basically. If I play it again, let me play it again, and notice here, so I'm playing it again. See guys, total 3 minutes behavior they have tagged basically here. So these are the things guys, and they have one very important feature. See, you can skip the inactive time. So when the time will be inactive, then it will be skipped. See, it's playing, but after some time it will be skipped. See guys, just wait some time. After some time they will just skip it. Let me show you. See guys, they are skipping this part. See, because on this part the user was inactive. Hope you get idea guys about this button. You can see the user behavior in the view of video also. So they will record the screen also. Hope you get idea. And from here you can see the customer journey, the complete customer journey from start to end. And then they have behavior reporting. So guys, in our audience section, we have created this homepage visitor behavior, and from here you can see the analytics about this behavior reporting basically. Then they have funnels. If I just go to this funnel section, you can create funnel for your audience here basically. Just click here define funnel, and then here give a funnel name. Let's say test funnel, and then here give a name to this step. Let's say step 111, and here view, let's say click text or click selector. You can select behavior, custom action, let's say I'll select behavior, and then homepage visitor, I have only one behavior. And then next step, what will happen, let's say step 112, and then here we have to select, let's say click selector, and exactly let's say I'll select start with, and then here beginning, it will be begin with, let's say with this keyword. And then you can pick the element also from here if you want. Let's say I'll select this one, and then I'll just confirm it. So guys, they will redirect you to this page, and from here you have to select which specific element click you want to track. Let's say you want to track whenever people will click here on this section, so just select it, and then it will be selected, and then close this tab, and then it will be selected. So the best thing that I want to show you, you can define the funnel in this way, and then you can segmentize your audience by using this funnel. Then I'm canceling it because I'm not creating a complete funnel here. I just wanted to show you, you can create the funnel in this way. And then they have segment, so you can segmentize your audience from here, and to segmentize it you have to create the funnel at first. Hope you get idea. After that they have inspect for pages. If I go to this pages section, here you can see these things that I have shown you previously. You can see the heat map, you can go to this page, you can view site audit for this specific page, and you can see the view page analytics. So you can view the page analytics basically from here, and you can see on which page, how much time, how many time, how many users has been visited. You can see the heat maps from here of this page. After that they have buttons. If I go to this button section, from here you can see the buttons analytics. Let's say you have maybe 4 or 5 or 6 buttons on your website, then this Hubalz feedback will track all of your button, and you can see how many click you have gotten, how many session you have gotten, how many user and conversion rate you have gotten for this button. And in my case I have only one button basically, that's why they have selected or they have tracked this button here. Then they have highlights. If I go to this highlights section, here you can get some highlighted analytics basically, and see here I have time range. 20% of the session have started between April 6 4 p.m. and April 6 6 p.m. And then the second highlight is desktop users do the home page visitor behavior 100% more than the average user. Then the second highlights is Chrome users do the homepage visitor behavior 100% more than the average user. So in this section basically you will get your personalized highlights, and these highlights will be depending on your own website. So that's really great guys. And then they have view segment. If I just click here on this view segment, then let's see what it provides us. Then it will redirect you to this section basically, and from here you can get the analytics of these highlights. Hope you get idea. After that, they have journeys. If I come to this journeys section, here you can see the customer journey basically, but they're saying that not enough data to generate a journey. Maybe I need to use this software for a long time and then I can get this journey. And then they have error. If I come to this error section, then here you can see how many number of error click or error things happened on your website. In my case, everything is 0. After that, they have A/B testing. Here you can create the experiment and then you can A/B test. Let's say test A/B, and then I'll just confirm it, and then you can create the A/B test from here. Let's say I will edit this A/B testing. Let's say I'll just click here on this edit. Here you can create the A/B testing. Just click here on this add, and here you can insert the URL. Let's say I'll insert this URL. Let me copy it, and then I will insert it here, and then I will add more. Let's say I'll add only this URL, not these things, just product. And then in this way you can create the funnel. You can add different variant here. Let's say variant name is B, and then confirm, and then here see this is one another variant. You can add it. Let's say the CSS selector. From here you can get the CSS selector. Let's say the CSS selector I have to get from here, right? So I'll inspect it, and then from here let's say I will pick this one. Okay, not this one. Let's say I'll pick this button, and from here I will pick one selector. Let's say this is maybe my selector. Let me copy it, guys. So single add to cart button, alt, maybe this one, yes, single add to cart button. So I will copy it, and then I will paste the selector here. So in this way basically you can create here different types of A/B testing, and then you can test which one is working fine for you. I'm not creating this A/B testing here properly. Also, I just wanted to show you you can do these things here. So these are the things that you can do on this Hubalz feedback. Lots of functionalities that are available, and you can get the complete customer journey scenario by using this Hubalz feedback software. So if you think guys you need this type of software for your business or for your personal growth, that will help you to get actionable feedback directly from your user, then you can get this Hubalz feedback lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Hubalz feedback lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Hubalz feedback lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.